guys, I'm here in St. Bernard, Tubo daw. I don't know what is this, but this is so nice, guys. Look at the view and the flowers. It's so many flowers here. Ato pa ko sa babaw, guys, para makita gid ang view. Wow! Wow! Aray, iangat ko, guys. Wait sa. Aray. Gihangat ako. Ay! Yan na, gihangat ka. Itukmod sa ating maming dali. It's so nice here. Wow! Look at the view, guys. Ay, tapata. Look at the view. Oh. Ay. Ay. Tapos gede. Ay. Wow. Wow. Ay. Wait. Gamay na lang. Gamay na lang. Ay. Gamay na lang, guys. Wait. Oh. Aray. Aray. Diyos ko. Ay. Tabang, nurse. Tabang. Wow. Look at the view. Irita. Wait. Oh. Welcome to San Juan, Southern Leyte. There is my family. Ay, Diyos ko. Wow. Kaso lang, natakban ang lubi ang view. Tatag view, binindot na view. Asa man. Tatag nindot na view din bi. Biskot. Wow. Oof. Look at, guys. It's so nice. Wow. Wow. Look at, guys. So nice. This is my province, San Juan, Southern Leyte, here in St. Bernard. Wow! Wow! Paano to? Picture be. Kano? See So guys, pangalan kaya na daw na bulkan. I don't know what's the name. I will search it in, if I go to house, I will search it. Don't you worry. That is volcano. I don't know what's the name, but that is volcano. It's so nice, guys. It's so nice. The sea. Oh, look at that. Okay. Okay, guys. Rin na lang ta. Kutob kay. Munaog na ko. Kay alas 5 rami kutob diri. Karon pa mi. Malas 3 min abot diri. Sayang. Inahan pa unta ko magdugay. Pero sunod na po laag. Woo! Bye-bye!